Many traders believe that once they find their edge, then journey is over. Like, finally I found Holy Grail. But a month later, they are right back at square one. Frustrated, confused, and often with a small account. The truth is, finding an edge is only the beginning. In this video, I will break down the 5 hidden reasons why traders fail even after finding an edge. And more importantly, how you can fix them. So stay with me until the end, because I also share the practical steps to protect your edge, so it actually makes you profit in the long term. So let's dive in. Most traders think that finding the edge is a finish line, but it's actually just the start point. Execution, psychology, and risk management matter just as much. You can have the sharpest sword, but if you don't know when or how to use it, then you will lose the battle. So today, let's go through top 5 reasons traders fail even with a proven edge, ranked from number 5 to number 1. So you will know exactly when to avoid and how to keep your edge sharp for years to come. Number 5 is the overconfidence trap. You finally find your edge, your backtesting result looks great, and you take few winning trades, and suddenly you feel unstoppable. Then you start increasing lot size too quickly, and you chase extra steps, and you ignore your own rules because you think, I've got this now. But that's like finding a treasure map and assuming you are already rich. An edge gives you probability, not certainty. Overconfidence kills consistency. After finding an edge, most traders relax when they should actually become even more disciplined. The market will always test your ego, and when it does, the traders who survive are the ones who remember that an edge does not make them invincible. It just gives them a slightly higher chance of winning over time. So stay humble, size up gradually, and protect your edge instead of showing off with it, because the market has a funny way of humbling those who get too confident. Number 4 is emotional sabotage. Fear and greed, and the 2 emotions that destroy even the best systems. You might stop taking trades after losing streaks or force extra trades after winning streaks. But either way, emotion takes over execution. I like to say, control your reactions, not the market. Because the market doesn't care how you feel, but your emotions, they can destroy your results. Here's a quick exercise. Before every trade, take 10 seconds and ask yourself, am I calm? Or am I trying to make back something I lost? If the answer is emotional, then never trade. The best samurai never swing their sword in anger, but they waited for the right moment to come. And in trading, patience is your real weapon. I've seen some traders yell at their screens and bang their desks, and I always think, if I shout at the chart, it actually moves the price, then we'll all become billionaires by now. So breathe, step back, and let your edge work without emotional interference. If you're serious about mastering my Ichimoku trend flow strategy and becoming a consistent trader, join Global Trading School, GTS. It's a 3-month mentorship where I teach everything I know, including risk management and psychology, step by step. Seats are limited, so apply now and let's grow together. Number 3, risk management. This one is huge. Even if your strategy wins 70% of the time, if your risk management is very poor, one bad trade can destroy your whole account. I always tell my students, protect your capital like a castle. Your edge is a warrior, but your risk management is a wall. So you cannot fight anymore if the castle collapses. So here's a simple rule. Never risk more than 2% per trade. If you lose more than that in a day, then stop trading and take a walk. When you over-risk, you lose not only money, but also confidence and clarity. Professional traders focus on survival, not excitement. Because once you survive in the long enough, your edge finally has time to work. So next time when you're tempted to take a huge position, please ask yourself, am I trying to impress my ego or protect my future? And the answer should always be, the second one. Number 2 is lack of consistency. Many traders keep changing strategies. They try Ichimoku 1 month, moving average next, and then Elliott wave after that, for example. And then they say nothing works. But the problem is not about the strategy. It's about the lack of consistency. It's like planting a tree and then digging it up every week to check if it's growing. But of course, it won't grow because you're not giving it time. If you want your edge to mature, you need to give it enough time to show results. That means at least 3 months of commitment, trading, recording, and reviewing them. And consistency is not exciting, but it's powerful. It builds trust in your own process. I had one student who kept switching methods every 2 weeks, and he never saw the results. Another stayed with the same Ichimoku setup for months, and slowly he started to see his account growing steadily. So stop looking for the next big system. Focus on mastering one thing deeply, because consistency is what turns theory into profit. And finally, the number one reason traders fail even after finding an edge is discipline. Markets change, strategies evolve, but discipline never goes out of style. You can have the perfect Ichimoku setup, but if you cannot follow your own rules, nothing works. I've seen very talented traders lose everything simply because they couldn't control their impulses, but they knew what to do, but they didn't do it. That's the difference between knowledge and mastery. Your true edge is not your system, it's you. It's your routine, your patience, and your ability to stay calm under pressure. And there's a Japanese proverb that captured this perfectly. We say, keizoku wa chikara nari, which means consistency is power. It reminds us that steady and continuous and effort builds the real strengths. In trading, that's exactly what transforms a good edge into a lasting edge. You don't need to win every trade. You just need to show up, follow your plan, and repeat that every single day. That's what professional discipline looks like. Before we wrap up, let me share a few quick bonus tips to help you keep your edge sharp. Number one is trade smarter than you think you should. Control comes first, profit comes later. Number two, create a pre-trade routine. Just like an athlete's warm-up before a match, prepare your mind before your trade. Number three, set a daily loss limit. Once you hit it, then stop. Protect your capital and emotions. Number four, backtest and commitment. Don't trade a strategy you haven't proven to yourself. Number five, automate where possible. Let technology take care of repetitive tasks, so emotions does not interfere. And number six, think process, not profits. The result is a reflection of your consistency. Professional trading is not about excitement, it's about excellence. The most successful traders are often the calmest ones. Most traders don't fail because they lack an edge, but they fail because they can't protect their edge with patience, discipline, and the risk control. Finding an edge is just one step. Keeping alive is the real journey. Trade smarter and think about the process, and trust your system long enough to let the probabilities work. That's how you separate yourself from the rest of the 90% who give up. If this video helped you shift your mindset, then please hit the like button and subscribe for more calm and structured insights from me, a full-time Japanese trader myself based in Dubai. And please comment below, what's your biggest challenge after finding your edge? I read many of your comments personally. And if you are ready to go deeper into structured Ichimoku and trading psychology, then please join my communities linked below. Please remember, an edge does not guarantee success. Discipline does. The market rewards those who last. Thank you for watching, and until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, stay gold. Bye for now. Mata ne.